Today we are making classic Italian ciabatta, a rustic bread with soft and crisp golden crust. Let's get started. Let's start with the Biga. In a bowl, combine 184 grams of bread flour, a pinch of dry yeast, 120 milliliters of water. Mix everything until it forms a rough dough. Cover and let it rest at room temperature for 12 to 16 hours. Now to make the final dough, start with 380 grams of bread flour, 14 grams of salt, 2 grams of yeast. Add the Biga, 340 milliliters of water. Mix until sticky dough forms. Transfer to a well-oiled bowl, cover and let the dough rise for about 30 minutes. Now fold the dough 3 times. This will help strengthen the gluten. Once done, let it rest for another 30 minutes. Line a baking paper on the baking tray and sprinkle some flour over it. Now heavily flour your workspace. Separate them into 2. Use your bench scraper and shape it into a rough oblong and transfer onto a baking tray. Cover and let it rise for 45 minutes. Cut the baking paper in half and fold up the sides to form a cradle. Place a support in center like a roll-up towel or bottle to help the dough hold its shape as it proves. Take an empty baking tray and pour a cup of water and put in the oven at 240 Celsius. Lightly flour the top of the dough, then place it in the preheated oven at 240 Celsius. Bake for 30 minutes, venting the oven during the last final 10 minutes to help the crust crisp up. Let it cool on a rack before enjoying it.